You know what you need? A fucking car mount. To mount it like inside the car, like if you're drag racing, you got the whole front of the car. That would be dope.
Told you I had a hole in it.
You got holes in fucking everything.
You don't get some new clothes, dude.
I mean, who wears double dish monster shirts?
I was like 12, maybe.
People will go to Autorama. Drag it. I know, I fucked up.
Alright guys, so where are we going today?
Picking up Tony's technically second drift car. His first drift car he fucking sold after like a week.
What's that say?
For no reason.
It was a piece, dude. Come on, the fucking 92
He had a
Miata.
Yeah.
That had no balls at all.
Zero Fox. Zero fucks.
I bet he don't drift though.
Oh, I bet you know.
Ain't that the truth?
I can't believe you got away with that one. That one's pretty sweet.
But we're picking up a, what is it, a 92,
It's a 95.
325i BMW manual.
Yes.
Knees rocker panels. We're gonna see what it's worth. See if we can replace those and drift that bitch.
I don't know, I mean, I really don't want to rust bucket, but for the right price though, I mean, it to be a drift missile.
Yeah.
So,
And if we
fuck
pick it up today, we're gonna weld the diff. So
yes. So
today,
if we,
like,
yes,
day
like
one.
we're gonna go there, get it, head back to the shop, and weld that boy up right away.
Yeah.
Holy shit, bro. I thought my car was on fire, you fuck. Babe. I was like, where the fuck is that smoke coming from? Oh, man.
Damn, the SRT boy.
Dude, that bitch is
that the same
nasty.
fucking one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the Zero Fucks one.
Zero fucks.
Oh. That body roll, boy. Look at that body roll, boy. Damn.
Yeah.
That's some heavy body roll.
Oh, come on. Why is everyone going slower now? We had a good pace going.
Did you text that dude and say you were on your way?
Yeah, yeah, he knows.
Bro, Tony's next drift car.
Dude, how do all these people have all this money for custom plates? What's that one?
Fast
Kia?
Fast Kia.
Fast Kia.
Oh, yeah, right. Hey, let's go next to us. Start revving. Oh, that's the bitch that's driving funny. That's the bitch that's driving funny, ain't it? So have you told people next week what we're doing?
I don't think so.
I don't know if you want to do it.
Wait a minute, is it drift? What's the drift event? Oh, that's in 3 weeks, isn't it?
Yeah, yep.
So
Talk about paint cars?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to be painting our drift cars. We're kind of on the flip on paint. I think we decided today. I'm not going to spoil it. I don't know if you want to tell them or wait.
Not yet. They will have to wait on the color because we are not 100% sure, but Saturday morning we have to be because that's the day we're going to go buy the paint. Spray our shit.
And how much are we going to paint our cars for?
$50 or less for a full complete paint job. Now that doesn't include the gun, but that doesn't include the paint, the prep, and basically everything. So it should turn out all right. I mean, I'm hoping to be, you know, mediocre, better than Mako for sure. I'm not a painter by trade, but I've sprayed a few times in the past and it turned out all right. So I have some pretty good hopes.
So what cars are we going to be painting?
We're gonna be painting my Beamer, your 350. Chris, you in on that? Oh shit!
I didn't know we were pulling onto a fucking
rusty
mansion.
Beamer, dude, in that mansion.
There's that Beamer though.
In '97, what they did was they replaced this stuff with there's a plastic running board that goes over there, so you can just weld some new metal and put the plastic. You can have those. I've got the plastic ones put on there if you wanted to fix it up.
Not bad.
Yeah, I got the same inline six.
Yeah.
That's
In almost
it's a
every 3.
2.5 liter inline six. Yeah, it's the same one. Yeah.
Is the title in your name too?
Yep.
Clean title.
Good title.
Cool.
Interior's clean. We've got van on. is almost like beef texture.
One thing I don't know how to work on is BMWs. I work for a dealership,
So
man.
what are we about to do tonight?
We're gonna weld this diff, dude.
Appreciate that.
Yeah,
No problem.
Definitely gonna be drifting now.
Yep.
You'll sell in 3 days. That's good.
No, I will not actually.
Thank you.
You want the Rusties?
I remember that drift Miata you had.
Yeah, the poor Miata.
At least it has more power than the Miata.
That's true.
You got the keys?
They're in the car.
All right, you want to drive the car out there? We'll
Sure,
drop in the trunk.
sure.
Oh,
No
shit.
problem. Where did we go through?
So what do you think? How's the clutch feel?
It works.
Oh, is that the noise you were talking about?
I think a throw bang. But dude, for the money we got for, bro, we're gonna be sliding.
Shit, we should almost paint both cars fucking.
Yes, we are, dude. Can't believe I just bought a BMW. My dad's gonna kill me. Where you put that car at? I don't know yet.
Oh, he's giving you tires too?
Damn, dude. This dude, look at those wheels, dude. Look at those wheels.
It's the same one. That one.
Cool.
Running board things. That's what I'm saying. I
Ah.
was always gonna just
That'll probably actually
slice
honestly,
off the metal, put some square stock under there,
Yeah.
and then just
Literally
That'll-
angle iron.
angle iron. Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. And then you're good.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
Sweet.
Whatever.
All right.
Hold on. I got a bunch of.
Okay. I'll throw some back seat. We going sliding or what?
You gotta get that diff welder first. You can do nothing with open diff.
You don't think so?
I don't think so. I think it's gonna be way too hard. Eventually, well, the Miata was open diff, right?
Yeah.
They got the alligator in the pond.
That ain't real.
I know, but look at
Is it?
this. It looks real, don't it?
What, the alligator? Be like, guess what we found buying the drift car? Oh shit! Tony drifting!
All right, Chris, what are we doing?
Removing the ABS sensors right now. I already took the exhaust off.
No. What are you doing?
I'm about to weld the diff.
We're using the camera even though it's almost dead. You know, I shot it with my phone, but Tony don't want to use it, but it's cool.
1080p, bro.
My phone does 1080p.
Does it?
It's an S8, yeah, it's 60 FPS, 1080p, you ugly.
This guy.
You just got tech fucking school.
What, you're gonna try to take off the fucking cover right here with the
No,
fucking bushing
I'm
in or
just
something?
taking the ABS sensors out before I drop it.
In the reclining rear seats.
Are they heated too?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Damn.
Not Chris's though. Chris is like, well, I got Brembos.
So do I.
This dude didn't even turn the fucking lights on for the shop. All here fucking doing without no lights on.
This dude got an air impact and he's using wrenches.
See the way my toolbox is set up, that snap-on box I was talking about, it's got that deep reach electric ratchet.
Oh, you got the new one?
Fuck yeah, I got the
Yeah, the
What are you
extended
doing?
head.
Recording until the battery's done?
Yeah. Might as well.
Ain't no peasant, I got a
Well, I'm gonna send you these videos.
All right.
What they do, send you a new one?
No, he fucking left him in.
I just said fucking. It's 500.
Didn't that car have Brembos on it?
Stop.
Yes, it did.
Dude, you should have parted that car out.
Dude, they
tried.
wouldn't let me buy it. I offered to buy it, and they're like, and it's fully drained and everything.
Should be. Probably
You're not gonna make a mess, right?
Bro. No, his dad this morning. First off, let me tell you, this dude wears buckle jeans. $200 pairs of jeans to wear. So we're going to drain out that red jack right there, the fluid, because there was too much in there. Bro, it explodes all over his dad. And Brian, it blows up right in his face. It was so shitty.
Low power cars, or if you're running a tire that's grippy, you air the tire up and makes the tire harder. It'll spin easier. So when I got two people in the back seat of my car and I'm gripping, the cars don't want to grip up, it's not enough weight.